Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to everyone. I, Nusrat Fatima from Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, welcome you to the valedictory session of 1 week, 6 days offline AICTE Training and Learning Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence and Quantum Machine Learning. I would like to request Honorable Professor Parma, Prof, Sharda University, Greater Noida, to please come on the dais. I request Professor Pradeep Kumar Sir, Head of the Department, Computer Science of Information Technology, onto the dais. I request Dr. Nihar Ranjan Roy Sir to please come on the dais. As we gather here today to mark the culmination of an extensive and enlightening week-long ATAL-FDP program on AI and QML, I am deeply honored to address this assembly and reflect upon the remarkable journey we have shared. This FDP is sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy. AICTE Training and Learning Academy, ATAL, is committed for development of quality technical education in the country by initiating various schemes in order to empower the faculty to achieve goals of higher education such as access, equity and quality. The broad objectives of ATAL scheme are to support the technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, entrepreneurship through training and provide training and exchange of experiences through FDP's learning-oriented programs. So we had a 6 days, 1 week FDP with 10 sessions and 1 industrial visit. So day 1, session 1 was by Professor G. Manoj Kumar Sir from University of Hyderabad on statistical significance in AI and ML. So day 1, session 2 was by the lecture was by Professor Anil Kumar Chaudhary Sir, University of Hyderabad, on topic towards quantum machine learning. Professor Chaudhary briefed about the classic computation and devices, quantum computing, advantages of quantum computer, optical quantum computer. Session 2 concluded with a technical presentation on machine classification of explosives using terahertz time domain reflection spectroscopy by one of the scholars of Professor Chaudhary P. Naveen Kumar. Day 2, session 3 started with Dr. Abhinav Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, on recent trends, challenges and opportunities in AI and ML. The session was full of learning and research exploration as Dr. Kumar discussed broadly about AI, ML, supervised, unsupervised reinforcement, deep learning techniques, recent trends, domain adaptation, tiny ML, federated learning, and 3 use cases were also discussed, which were on localization, classification and detection in 5G, green communications in 6G, and the video quality. So day 2, session 4 was by Professor Ramamurthy Garimella from Mahindra University, Hyderabad, on foundation of deep learning and computer vision. Professor Murthy gave a clear explanation of the collection of concepts associated with artificial neural networks, the deep learning architectures, and the applications based on computer vision, that is image processing. Day 3, session 5, it was by Dr. Jyotsna Devi Bodapati, Associate Professor, Vignan Foundation Science Technology and Research, Guntur, on the topic NLP, Sentiment Analysis and Machine Translation. In this session, we have got an overview of the NLP, industry applications of NLP, challenges in NLP, introduction to sentiment analysis, text pre-processing, feature extraction, different models for sentiment analysis, introduction to machine translation, neural machine translation, and different attention models, as well as the future trends in NLP and translation. So day 3, session 6, it was by industrial automation by Mohammad Sigbatullah, who highlighted the evolution of manufacturing industry from industry 1.0 to industry 4.0. The digital transformation in manufacturing based on integration of digital technologies in marketing and manufacturing processes using IoT, big data analytics, AI and ML, 3D printing, cloud computing, robotics and automation, digital twin technology, augmented reality and virtual reality. Day 4, session 7 started with an enthusiastic interactive resource person, Dr. Vijender Kumar Solanki from CMR Engineering College, Hyderabad on data engineering concepts, processes and tools. Dr. Solanki gave an overview of the data analytics, various tools and techniques and big data applications. Day 4, session 8, the lecture was by Professor Ashok Kumar Das from IIIT Hyderabad about blockchain technology applications and its impact on AI ML security. Professor Das focused on blockchain technology concepts, application, integration with deep learning architectures. Day 5 started with a pivotal component of our enriching faculty development program. Participants were privileged to embark on an illuminating industrial visit to Central Institute of Tools and Design, Balanagar, Hyderabad. The visit was meticulously curated to provide an immersive experience in the realism of cutting-edge technology and innovation in tool design and manufacturing by Mr. Sanat Kumar, Deputy Director, CITD, Hyderabad. The participants gained first-hand insights into the intricacies of GPU-based deployed projects, ongoing projects using drone, deep learning and AI. The industrial visit to CITD not only provided a glimpse into the forefront of technological advancements, but also served as a source of inspiration, motivation to the participants to infuse their teaching methodologies with practical insights gained from this immersive experience. Then session 9 was by Dr. Nihar Ranjan Sir, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology from Sharda University, Greater Noida, about unveiling quantum frontier lecture. So Dr. Ranjan had focused on principles of quantum technology, potential applications of quantum computers and research areas in quantum technology. Then day 6 and session 10 was by Professor Parma, Sir, Prof. Sharda University, Greater Noida. Sir has given an overview of AI, ML, deep learning architectures. The sessions are concluded with assessment of participations and feedback was collected regarding the ATAL-FDP on AI and QML. Throughout this program, we have immersed ourselves in a tapestry of diverse ideas, methodologies and innovative practices designed to enhance our teaching process and research capabilities. The distinguished speakers and facilitators have been the beacons of knowledge guiding us through the intricacies of technology integration and research advancements. The ATAL faculty development program has empowered us with the new tools, perspectives and networks. It has ignited a spark within us, a passion to enhance our teaching methodologies, amplify our research endeavors and ultimately to contribute meaningfully to the realm of the education. So let us carry the spirit of this ATAL-FDP within us, inspired, enlightened, motivated to create a transformative impact in the realm of education. So as we bid adieu to this phase of our academic journey, let us carry forth the wisdom we gained and the connections forged. Let us continue to innovate, collaborate, inspire one another in our pursuit of academic excellence. Thank you all for your unwavering commitment, enthusiasm, active participation and dedication to advancing skills in teaching, learning, research and academic leadership throughout this journey. Here's to the collective success and the promising paths that lie ahead for each one of us. Thank you. So, as a concluding remark, I would just ask if anyone would like to give the feedback of this program. Complete FDP program.
Hasiba, okay, come. Want to share
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Hasiba, faculty from Vasari College of Engineering. So, I'd like to tell that all the sessions were very interesting. And main importantly, I like the session from Dr. Ashok Kumar Das, so who gave us an insight about blockchain technology, and he also gave me an idea how I can continue with my research on privacy preservation. That was very helpful for me. And also about the industrial visit, it was very well organized, and we got to meet the student of Abdul Kalam sir, APJ Abdul Kalam sir, so which was very motivating. And we also saw in physical about different equipments and how they are operated and also their applications on AI and deep learning. Overall, the FDP session was very good, very interactive, and hospitality also, it was very good. I would like to thank Pradeep sir for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this FDP. Thank you.
I cannot speak again tomorrow if I go to college. Respected dignitaries of the dais, I'm Dr. Madhvi from TVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology. At the outset, let me thank my management principal, the head of the department, for giving me opportunity to participate in this FDP. And to speak about FDP, the little line have been rolled here. After that, everything will become very small to speak before you all. And it would be very embarrassing for me to speak about the experiences here because every one of us knew how it has been happened. So, but even I take a responsibility to share my personal feelings about how the FDP has went. Nowadays, it is very easy to connect the FDP. The topic is very latest topic, quantum machine learning. Everyone can have a few resources connected to the program is very easy. But bringing these concepts, which is the choice of every person's research outputs, research thinking nowadays, unless we bring these topics clearly and what is going on exactly in the research to the people who are participating here, that would reach differently for the persons. And conducting a program is also very challenging because nowadays we all know the resources are available in the net. Every one of us can log in, we can learn by ourselves, everything is known there. To bring a speaker is very challenging issue because when they are speaking, when they are teaching here, they have to reach the above all the topics that have been shared in the net. And I think the management here has successfully done that because they have been exploring all the topics here, and I feel that usually we do some holy words, holy programs where the mantras have been chanted, the positive energy will be flowing there. The same experience I got here. When the speakers are speaking here, it's really very, if I start spelling the names of the speakers, starting from Manoj Kumar sir, the statistical reasoning and probability reasonings, they are very hard for the people to know about the mathematics and all. With little simple words, he have been explaining that. It's very surprising for me there. And the second speaker, Abhinav Kumar sir, the teacher was really exploring the thoughts, his personal experiences. It was the first time for me to see that this way also the things can be explained, not from heading, textbook quotations, side headings and all, but out of his own experience, like starting from data collection till the testbed experiences he has been sharing here in simple words. So if I continue like this, it goes on explaining about each and every speaker there. And yesterday morning, we are visiting an industrial tour. It is really different for me in all the FDPs. So many FDPs I have been attending, but this kind of visiting the industrial tour, where the industry perspective view, where the real machinery, the edge learning, it is not being done in the FDP table. For that I am really grateful to all the organizers here for bringing the real concepts to the people over here. So thank you all for giving me an opportunity to participate here.
First of all, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, good afternoon to all. My name is M.V.S. Subramaniam. I am from SRK Engineering College, assistant professor in CS&IT department. So this 6 days ATAL-FDP, artificial intelligence, quantum machine learning is very informative session. So all the sessions are very good, and this college maintaining the hospitality and all the coordination works are very done. All sessions are very informative and research oriented techniques. the very good experience. Yesterday I visited the industrial tour. That Sanat Kumar sir well explained in the real-time experiences. That also very good. So thanks to Pradeep Kumar sir and whole thing coordination of the Fatima madam. The very good. Thank you very much.
Good job with that, no?
Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Respected Professor Parma, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Sharda University, Noida, and respected Professor Nihar Ranjan, Sharda University, and respected Professor Pradeep Kumar, Department of Computer Science and Health, and all the participants and students. It's very great pleasure to me to stand before you all and share my experiences as a participant, not from this university. As a participant, I would like to talk with you. I explored my technical knowledge through all the sessions conducted by the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, and I enjoyed the lecture begins with the statistical significance in the AI and ML delivered by this Professor G. Manoj Kumar sir from University of Hyderabad. And I enjoyed the other lecture by data engineering concepts, processes and tools. This lecture delivered by Vijay Kumar Solanki, CMR Hyderabad, and the other lecture I enjoyed with the session Quantum Reinforcement Learning, Blockchain Technology, Applications, Impact on AI and ML Security, done by this Professor Ashok Kumar Das, IIIT Hyderabad. And also I enjoyed the session Quantum Semi-Supervised and Supervised Learning, lecture done by Parma sir from Sharda University. I am very much thankful to AICTE for conducting such a training and learning FDP program on AI and QML. I thank to our university for this great facility for conducting this FDP program. I thank all the participants for your presence during this one-week program, and all the best for your professional career also. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to speak in front of all your intellectual minds. Thank you so much once again.
Now I request Dr. Shivakumar sir from CMR Engineering College.
Dignitaries on the dais, faculty members attending this FDP from last 6 days. It's a matter of privilege to speak before you that why these FDPs are conducted, why ATAL is taking so much of pain. It is to bridge up the gap. Those gaps find out during NBA and NAC inspection. Those all things are required to upgrade yourself. Everybody is a learned person here, but always there is a scope to improve yourself. So keep learning, keep attending all such kind of events. And these all things are, AICTE also understood that it should be organized, it should be funded to all the universities and colleges. So we should take part and we should be privileged to take, the learning pedagogy provided. So we should be grateful to all such apex bodies also. So we are really thankful for organizing by Manu, and special thanks to all the organizers at Manu and AICTE. Thank you all. Thank you.
I request Rajesh Tiwari sir for feedback.
Yeah, good afternoon, all members present here. I am Dr. Rajesh Tiwari, professor from CMR Engineering College, Hyderabad. I am thankful to the ATAL organizing team for giving us opportunities to attend such a good FDP. And we learned so many things during this FDP. And especially today's Rayasar lecture and our performance lecture was excellent. And we are very much thankful to Jagdish sir and his whole team that they consider as a candidate and for this FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now I request Professor Parma sir, Pro VC, Sharda University, to give the concluding remarks.
At the outset, thank you all participants who patiently participated in the 6 days FDP program. As most of the participants has informed and told on the platform that such kind of FDPs are very important and one can learn from each other and spread the knowledge across to whomsoever. The faculties are basically your backbone of any of the institution. Today the institutions are not known by the buildings, infrastructures. They are known by the faculties. And that is really good for us. You may be knowing that some of the institutes even are chosen by the people while having the JEE preparation or NEET preparation. अरे उस सर के पास जाना है, उस सर की क्लास में अटेंड करना है. So those are basically acknowledged by the name of the people, and that is why it is very much important for all of us that we should upgrade our knowledge, and whatever we are trying to impart to the students or our peers must be up to the mark. Rightly said by some of the people here that the points are there in some of your accreditation forms. It may be NBA or NRF or even NAC also. Like fit criteria number 5 of the NBA require the details of your how many FDPs are and what are the activities are organized for development of the skills of the faculties. Even the criteria number 4 required for the development of the students, what extra you have done for the students over and above your curriculum or beyond the curriculum, what you have done. What you have done for the slow fast learners or fast learners, what kind of teaching pedagogies you use for your fast learners, what kind of teaching pedagogies have you used for the slow learners. These are all because we know that all 5 fingers are not equal. Some of them are very good learners, some of them are not, and some of them are really marvelous. And most of you must have perceived in your classes that some of the students are really very good and you love to teach them. And that is why while teaching, learning, you need to adopt such kind of pedagogies. The pedagogies may change from one to another one, course to course. You need to find the different kind of innovative ideas through which you can get a lot of knowledge, the learning skills to all the students. And while doing so, we should also organize such kind of activities skills for our own peers also, so that we can do the brainstorming and come out with the best of the best application, the tools which are available in the market for those domains. Rightly said by some of the, again the participants here on the stage, that it is very, very difficult to organize such kind of FDP program, and the most of the things are available easily on the tips on the Google. You search anything on the Google, you will find it out. But the doing learning through the online and through the physically offline mode, it has their own benefits. When you are doing it offline, you are having a lot of chance to exchange your idea. At the same time, you can have a two-way communication. Online is always one-way communication. Of course, it is good also. I don't deny that one should not go for the online education, online learning. It is also required, it is also must in today's time, because you can learn at your leisure time, at your tips, at your learning curve, at the learning capacities. You can go slow, you can move faster, you can move more faster. So there are good material available on your online, or you can edutech material as well. But going through all that, sometimes we need that, I am stuck with it, I need to have some consultants, I need to have some discussion with some of my peers to clear doubts. These are not available on your different kind of niche study materials. That is why such kind of FDPs are required, refreshing, reskilling, and moreover in our teaching pedagogy, in our profession, learning, unlearning and the relearning is most required. The learning, what you have learned or whatever I have learned in 80s, I enrolled in BTech in 1987. That time whatever is taught to us may not be available today's time, may not be even relevant. But upgrading ourselves and improving our knowledge and skills, especially when we are in the field of the computer science engineering, where the domains and technologies are changing very, very fast. Even in the 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years, within the 5 years, technology are changing. Nobody knew that the Python is going to take the major space in the computer science engineering, but it has taken. Sometime back, the Java was on high pitch, highly demanded in the market, and everybody was running after Java. But you may not be knowing that the J2EE, the different editions of the J2EE was about to wash out from the market, and the people who were in the process of developing the J2 or Java, they realized that if they do not upgrade the editions of the Java will be washed out from the market. And that is why they upgraded many other things, and they have gone to the extent of whatever is available in the Python, easily they have made it available in the Java also. So that's really the way things are improving and should improve in the computer science engineering, and we need to have pace with them. Nobody knew that the Nokia, which was one of the most demanded phone in the market, I think 2010 across. Am I right? आज Nokia है कहाँ? Total market से गायब हो गए. They tried to recapture the market again by changing the display, but could not. मार्केट में जो रेस है, उस रेस के साथ दौड़ना हमें आना पड़ेगा. अगर नहीं आया तो हम मार्केट से बाहर. Similarly, there are many Kodak camera, Canon camera. मतलब अगर उस समय 2010 और 2000 के अक्रॉस अगर किसी पास वो कैमरा होता तो अपने आप को प्रिविलेज समझता. अरे यार मेरे पास देखो डिजिटल कैमरा है. But they did not change much in those technologies. And with the upgradation of the phone today, everything is available on your phone, and you do not to carry any other devices apart from your phone. फोन ने किसको किसको खत्म कर दिया, घड़ी को खत्म कर दिया, फोन को खत्म, आपको कैमरे को खत्म कर दिया, इवन म्यूजिक प्लेयर्स को गायब कर दिया, ठीक है, और बताओ, वॉच खत्म कर दिया, टॉर्च खत्म कर दी, कैलेंडर गायब कर दिया. अब now we come to the wristwatch. आज with the availability of the smart watch, many things are changed now. Even phones are changing. आप अपने रिस्ट वॉच से, जो स्मार्ट वॉच से कॉल कर सकते हैं, कॉल ले सकते हैं और स्टॉप भी कर सकते हैं. अपना जो आपका ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कर सकते हैं, ऑक्सीजन लेवल चेक कर सकते हैं, एंड और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं,
Health monitoring.
number of steps, health monitoring. So these are changes, and until unless we adopt these technologies, we cannot going to go ahead. We cannot achieve whatever we are trying to, and of course being this profession, we cannot give to the students. So market को देखना है, और market को 10 साल near future down the line, you have to understand, predict कि आगे मार्केट कहाँ जाने वाली है. Even today, if you ask any other your IT industry expert, तो भैया 10 साल बाद क्या टेक्नोलॉजी आने वाली है, even they do not know. Sometimes we have a lot of discussion with the industry people when they come and HR people come, अरे यार आपके बच्चों को ये नहीं आता है, आपने इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं बताया. हम तो उनको एक ही चीज़ बोलते हैं कि we are not specific to the technology. For any of the, we cannot teach the way the Microsoft is there, tools. I cannot go with the Sun. I cannot go to the IBM. I have to teach the students which are open sources, open-ended, where the student can learn and skill themselves and become a lifelong learning for them to adopt any of the technology wherever they are being employed. This is one. Second, the next question again I posed on them. तुमको पता है 10 साल बाद क्या होने वाला है? तुम बताओ. नहीं पता ना? सीधा से नहीं पता. तो how do we expect from us the academia which are not in industry कि 10 साल बाद क्या होने वाला है? आपने मुझे आगे बताया. आप मुझे बताओ ना, आपको 10 साल बाद आपको क्या चाहिए, किस टाइप प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, हम उसको तैयार करते हैं. So that's basically the discussion will always go on with the industry and academic people. They will say the students are not relevant or they are not employable. They will always have a discussion and a hot discussion among us. But it becomes our duty also not to everything take on our heart. But we have to think very systematically, and we need to change and predict the market and predict the way we need to train our students. That's the mantra of the today's FDP program. Thank you so much. I like to thank you, my dear friend, Dr. Sarmaji. He is my old friend, and I think 23, 24 years old friends. And many of I can see a number of people here sitting in this participant group. Dr. Islam, Dr. Shay, and we also, and many others. Thank you so much. Thank you. And giving us the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Parmanand sir. Thank you, Niharanjan sir, for taking all the trouble for traveling from Delhi to Hyderabad to give us a lecture on ATAL-FDP on AI and QML. So I thank all of you. Finally, my thanks will be incomplete if I don't express my gratitude, and thanks to our head, Professor Pradeep Kumar sir and Professor Wahid sir, Dean, School of Technology, for giving us an opportunity, a platform to explore and having confidence in us. Thank you so much, sir. So now we'll conclude this FDP session. I request all of you to stand up for National Anthem.
Start से लगा
फिर से शुरू से लगा दो, शुरू से लगा एक बार पहुंच करके फिर से
माइक वहीं पे लगा दो। या फोन पे चला के माइक के पास ले आओ।
Yes, sir.
Jai